Today's topic is Parliament system. If you like the video, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all video updates and share with your friends. Let's start the video. So your first question is, which of the following characterized features of a parliament system? Option A, the president is the head of state and government. Option B, the executive is independent of the legislature. Legislature. The Prime Minister is usually the leader of the majority party in legislature. Option D, the judiciary appoints the Prime Minister. So your right option is option C. The Prime Minister is usually the leader of the majority party in legislature. Option C is the right answer. Next question is, in a parliament system, who appoints the Prime Minister? Option A, the President. Option B, the monarch and ceremonial head of state. Option C, the legislature. Option D, the Supreme Court. So your right option is option B. Option B is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following best explains the relationship between the executive and legislature in a parliamentary system? Option A, the executive is separate and independent from legislature. Option B, the executive is responsible to and derives its power from the legislature. Option C, the judiciary controls both the executive and legislature. Option D, the executive controls the legislature. So your right option is option B, the executive is responsible to and the drives it is power from the legislature. Option B is the right answer. Next question is, what is the main advantage of a parliamentary system? Option A, stability through fixed terms. Option B, clear separation of powers. Option C, flexibility, change the government without a general election. And option D, direct election of the Prime Minister by the public. So your right option is option C. Flexibility to change the government without a general election. Option C is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following countries has a parliamentary system of government? Option A, United States. Option B, United Kingdom. Option C, France. Option D, Russia. So your right option is option B, United Kingdom, UK. United Kingdom is the right answer. Next question is, in a parliamentary system, the head of states is usually option A, the Prime Minister. Option B, the President of and monarch. And option C, the Chief Justice. And option D, Speaker of the Parliament. So your right option is option B, the President of monarch. Option B is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following is not a feature of a parliamentary system? Option A, the executive is responsible to the legislature. Option B, the Prime Minister is usually the leader of the majority party in the legislature. Option C, the President has a fixed term and is directly elected by the people. Option D, the government can be removed by a vote of non-confidence. Option C is the right answer. The President has a fixed term and it is directly elected by the people. Option C is the right answer. Next question is, the principle of collective responsibility in a parliament system means. Option A, cabinet is collectively responsible to the monarch. Option B, the whole cabinet is responsible for government policies and actions to the legislature. And option C, the Prime Minister is responsible for individual policies only. Option D, the judiciary is responsible for government decision. So your right option is option B. The whole cabinet is responsible for government policies and actions to the legislature. Option B is the right answer. Next question is, in a parliament system, the terms vote of no confidence refers to option A, vote by the legislature to support the government. Option B, a vote that indicates the legislature no longer trusts the government, leading to its regis- resignation. So, and option C, a referendum on constitutional amendment. And option D, an election to select the prime minister. So your right option is option B, a vote that indicates the legislature no longer trusts the government, leading to its resignation is the right answer. यानी कि option B is the right answer. Next question is, which is country is considered the classic example of parliament system? Option A, United States. Option B, France. Option C, United Kingdom. And option D, Germany. So your right option is option C, United Kingdom.